Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Haunting Technologies. Today we want to talk about our window sprayer not spraying. So a lot of times when a window sprayer doesn't spray, everybody thinks the solenoid's gone bad. It's not necessarily the solenoid. So the first thing that we want to do is on the back of the machine where this water line actually hooks in here. You're going to want to remove that water line and then hit the foot pedal, and we should have water spray out from here. Just like that. That lets us know that we're good up to the solenoid. So our problem is somewhere between the water line and the water jet on the inside. So if we hook this hose back in, now we can check the hose to see if the hose itself is clear. And do the exact same thing, hit the foot pedal. And that hose is clear. As you see, water shot across my showroom. If we're still clear there and nothing else is going on, then the problem is actually going to be in the window rinse nozzle itself. This would have to be disassembled and cleaned out, but that way you know whether your solenoid's working or whether you just got a clog in the line. And that's my tech tip for today. Thanks for watching.